so I got the Poulan 2150 LX back in the shop. I took it out and I cut a whole bunch of wood at my uncle's house. It ran great until the end, and it just started cutting out. I adjusted the carburetor. I mean, I looked it over and it's not one to start anymore. So what I did was I went online and I mean, this thing's old. I don't know how old it is exactly, but I went online and got aftermarket carburetor, and just want to give it a shot. We'll put her on and we'll see how she runs. This is the kit right here. It actually comes with the new fuel line, which we don't need, so I'll save that for something else. The carburetor itself, which I looked it over and it looks good, looks identical. Like I've said in my previous videos, I don't really have a problem with these aftermarket carburetors. I mean, I'd rather rebuild one, but you know, given the age of this, sometimes just go ahead and get yourself a new one. I mean, even if it is aftermarket. But yeah, most of the times they do a great job. Sometimes they don't, but we'll see. Comes with the spark plug, new air filter, which I think we're good, and fuel filter, purge bulb, gaskets, and whatnot. So we'll put this in here and we'll see what happens. I mean, I did a pretty thorough rebuild on this carburetor, you know, so I want to say it's probably the, what's it called? The impulse port, or I think that's what it's called. Like, it's not pulling fuel. I don't know. We'll just put this guy on. Hopefully it solves our issues and we can go back to cutting wood. All right, and then, well, let's look it over. Yeah, I mean, it's identical. Yeah. All right, so let's take this choke lever and put it on the new guy here. I'm gonna keep this. Always keep your original one when you buy an aftermarket one. You might need it. There we go. All right. All right, let's plug her up. Let's see here. This is this fuel line. There we go. That one's on. Then this top one right here. All right. That guy's on. All right, looks like we just gotta tighten her up. There we go. Guy in place. Put this dude in here. Beautiful. There. All right. Put your nuts back on. I mean, this is new. There's nothing wrong with this one. Slide that guy back in. I'm gonna keep the cover off for now because let's see what the adjustments are on the low and high speed. All right. Let's see here. So DeWalt's facing up. So we got half, 1, 1.5, about 1 3/4, almost 2. That's a lot, I think. But I'm gonna put it to 1.5. I'm gonna put them both 1.5. Let me see what the high speed is. Half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. Wow, 2.5 for the high speed? Dang. I'm gonna put them both at 1.5 and we'll go from there. I think that's a lot. They had it. Half, 1, 1.5. Half, 1, 1.5. All right. All right, let's change out this spark plug too. Let's see here. L7 TC. Make sure she's got spark. Ignition's on. Yep, she's got spark. I know y'all can't see it, but just take my word for it. It has spark. I promise. I ain't gonna lie to you. Would you lie to me? Would you lie to me? No, I wouldn't. All right, let's crank this baby down. Okay. Plug her up. All right. Let's go see what happens. Good sign already. So that was an easy fix. I mean, for now, I got to see how it had a out of the box. The settings were, I believe, were a little off. So I turned I turned the high and the low speed screw a turn and a half, and then I had to mess with the low speed just a little bit, but I mean, it's got great throttle response. I mean, dude, these aftermarket carburetors, they've come a long ways. They really have. I highly recommend them. Sometimes they're not the best, but most of the time, I mean, they've come a long ways. Highly recommend it. Cheap, quick, easy fix. Yeah. So there you have it, guys. Appreciate you watching. I'm gonna I'm gonna test. I'm gonna cut it on again tomorrow, just to make sure. I may have to. These carburetors, I mean, they'll run good. Or sorry, these Poulan chainsaws, I figured out they'll run good. You know, one day. Then the next day, you got to tweak the high and low speed a little bit again. But that's just part of it. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned. I got some more stuff coming up.